YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today we just got back from cupping from Burlington. We'll see what else they have. Anyway, we got the one of the track pants and then a couple pair of the socks because my son's socks they all ripped and torn, end up throwing away. So let me give you guys a warning real quick about the Nike socks. The Nike socks that every time when I wear those kind of cheap socks, every time the lint or the cotton got on my nails, and whenever I take a shower, then the all the material, the fabric come out down to the drain. So I would not ever buy those socks again. Okay, so I purchased some of the Reeboks socks from, I'm not sure either Ross or TJ Maxx or Burlington, and they are great. They are pretty thin, not too thick. I believe the same one, the one I just got. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick. I believe the Reebok 5-pack, man, this is a crew performance training. I think it has a moisture control. Okay. And by the way, they got so many different kind of color and pattern and different design. So this one has a Reebok written on the bottom of your foot area. So I figure this is similar to the one that I have previously. So mine haven't been ripped or anything or torn like that or got any holes. So that's why I told my son to get the Reeboks, and he ended up cupping the white colors. I told him the white color gets dirty fast, but he likes white, so there's nothing I could do for him. So anyway, this is the white color. And basic is the same moisture control. And this is made in China. It says compared to $18, so I believe Reebok probably selling for more than $18. I believe it might be 20 to 22 bucks. So we only got it for $7.99 for 5 pairs of the socks. And this kind of has a different kind of lining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got each pair, and this is becoming 1 pair on the midsection, and then you got 2 more pair on the back. So total 5 pairs. So we got 3 pairs of the one with the black lining, and 2 of them with the gray. And this one will be 3 of the gray lining and then 2 of the red lining. So let's get that out of the way. And then he saw something that he likes, the track pants. Normally if you get this online, they run about like $65 or 50 bucks. Okay, so you guys won't believe how much we got this for. Okay, so around the ankle area there's a zipper right here. It's pretty heavy duty zipper. On both sides. So this is the brand FWRD Denim. And this one is a size small. 100% polyester. Okay, and you got the draw core in the front, and this is the flat draw core or drawstring, whatever you call it. And you got this nice front left and right pocket with the zipper. So keep your item from getting lost. Your wallet, your keys, your pen, or whatever you put in here. And there are two of the pockets on the left and right hand side. So it's pretty nice. And there's a pipe lining or the stripe, the red lining on the outer of your leg area. This one's retail for you see that price, $65. And we only got it for $19.99. You sometimes say comparable value it says 40, so which is not right. Right here it says 65. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media and drop any other comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching and happy Sunday. And the basketball is coming up. The game probably around like 5:30. Enjoy your Sunday, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.
Like a Hellcat. Yeah.